In this video, I'll show you how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Not a lot of people know this method, but it's already proven and working. I will show you how to build your own landing page, and this method is free to start and ideal for beginners. Just follow each step carefully and replicate process on your own. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight into the video. To get started, we'll use 4 different websites. The first website is called GiddyUp. There we'll promote different affiliate products. What's even crazier is that they already have thousands of done for you videos specially made for you to use on your social media to promote affiliate products. The second website is System.io, which we'll use to build a landing page. Here we'll promote multiple affiliate products simultaneously to increase our earning potential. The third website or tool you can call is ChatGPT, which will help us to create concise content for the landing page and descriptions for Pinterest. And lastly, we'll use Pinterest to drive traffic to our affiliate links, boosting our affiliate commissions. Let's take a look at some of the examples that we can take some inspiration from. Go to Pinterest, type in gadgets, and click, for example, on one of these videos. What we can see is that they are promoting a product that we can buy by clicking on this link. Let's click on this link and we are led to a Linktree account right here. And if we scroll down a bit, we get a bunch of different products that they promote. All of these products are affiliate links, and if we click on one of these products, for example this one, we are redirected to Amazon account, and if we buy this product, the seller, the account right here, is going to make a commission, actually a huge commission, because this product costs $500. That was just an overview, and now I'll guide you through the process step by step. This business model is known as affiliate marketing, and the best aspect of this model is that it's completely free to start and everything is mostly taken care of for you. You just need to create pins. Step 1 would be to visit GiddyUp.io website, an affiliate marketplace where you can discover and promote various high-selling affiliate offers and earn up to $100 per sale. To register, just click on the marketing partners, and once signed up, you'll be redirected to a page showcasing top selling products that you can promote. You can earn up to $100 CPA. That means cost per action, meaning you keep your commission even if a customer requests a refund after sale. This is the beauty of CPA affiliate marketing. You avoid dealing with product manufacturing, shipping, and customer support. Everything is managed for you. Your task is to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, potentially earning thousands of dollars in passive income. Let's click on this product right here named hoodie. It is in travel and outdoors niche, and we can click on details and just preview their website and get an idea what this product is all about. The #1 personal safety alarm for women. Hoodie is designed to deter attackers and help prevent life-altering strategies. Simply activate the strobe light and ultra-loud siren to attract attention and stop any would-be attacker. So this is basically what we would be promoting, this website right here, and you simply can get an affiliate link for this item and just promote it on your Pinterest account. But I'll show you a better way and more profitable way to do that. So we can go back to this product, and this specific product is offering a $33 CPA. This means if someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you will instantly receive $33 to your account. Now the next step is to choose up to 10 or less different high-selling affiliate offers that you plan to promote. And before I forget to mention, if you want to promote this product right here, you have to click on apply, click OK, and wait for the website to approve your request. I already got some products approved before the video, so just click on approved. And today we'll be focusing on health and wellness products. Now the next step is to create our landing page, so we can go to System.io, a free tool that allows us to create an impressive landing page in just a minute. You can find the link in the description down below to create your own account. On System.io, just click on Get Me Free Account and proceed to the next page. I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. Then click on funnels, select create, and give your funnel a name like best gadgets for your health. Click on custom and save. Now just click on your funnel, click add step, name it send products. Select the type as squeeze page and click on save. You'll notice these are all pre-made templates ready for editing. Now select one of these templates, click on edit page, and just delete all of this content from this template. Once you're done with that, first click on headline text and drag it onto here. Just select this, click on font type, select Google Fonts and search for Poppins. Click enter, delete existing text and change it to best gadgets for your health. Increase the font size to 50. Let's just leave it like this. Now your next step is go back to GiddyUp and choose up to 10 different affiliate offers. At this moment I only have 3 items approved, so I'll just add those, but you need to add as many as you can. Okay, let me quickly show you with one product how to do that. Just click on this chill pill product, click on offer tracking links, just click on this URL right here and select landing page. And this already generated your affiliate link. Copy this, open up a new tab, paste it right here, click enter, and this is the landing page we are going to promote. Now copy this headline right here, go back to system.io. Now drag your headline text over here and paste your text right here, and after that just type in 1. Now select all of this text, select the font type as Google Fonts and search for Poppins. Now drag this image element underneath this text and go back to the landing page, and you need to download this image right here. Just click the right mouse button, click on open image in new tab, and once again click on the right mouse button and click on save image as. It will be downloaded as a zip file, so what we can do is just go to a new tab and just type in something like this. Choose a file, you can select this one right here and click on convert and download this image. Go back to your landing page, select on this image element right here, select on this arrow, select file, and select the image you just downloaded. Click on insert. Now we can add some text, so just click on the text element right here and drop it beneath the image over here. You can go back to our landing page, just close those tabs, and just copy this text over here. Go back to system and paste those right here. This looks awesome. We can select those, change to Google Fonts and search for Poppins. Enter. Now scroll down a bit and select this element called button. Drag this over here and change this to open URL. We can delete this text right here and change click here button to your product or something similar. Now we need to paste our affiliate link over here, so just go back to your GiddyUp, paste this affiliate link one more time, go back to system and paste your affiliate link right here. Now what you need to do is just repeat this process for all of the products you want to promote. Okay, I've already completed this step to keep this video concise and straightforward. Now here's the landing page I've created, and before I show it to you, let me guide you on how to save it and obtain your landing page link. Click on save changes and then exit. Your landing page URL will appear, which you can copy. Just click on this button over here, open up a new tab and paste your link right here. And this is your landing page. Here you'll see all offers listed from GiddyUp. This is an AdWord landing page featuring products that address specific problems, which enhances their appeal to potential buyers. Click on any of this product to redirect to the main landing page, and each time someone makes a purchase through these links, you'll earn an affiliate commission repeatedly. Moving on to the next step, we need videos for promoting our affiliate links on Pinterest. To obtain these videos, just simply contact GiddyUp's support team for video creatives. I just sent them this email right here like an hour ago and I haven't got a response yet. So in this case, I'll show you how to obtain these videos from TikTok. And in the next video, I'll show you if we got a response and how to use their videos to your Pinterest account. Now, to begin with, we can go to our landing page and search for our first product, which is, you can click on this link right here, and it's called Chill Pill. Now what we can do is just go to TikTok and type in Chill Pill. Click enter and search for the videos about this chill pill. Take a look at this video. We can open up this, or this video, it has more views. We can click on this video, and what you want to do is just copy this link, go to snaptic.app, paste your TikTok video right here, click download and download once again. And this video will be downloaded to your computer without any watermarks. Now all that's left to do is just create our pin. So go back to your Pinterest account, click on create pin, and choose a file and choose the video we just downloaded from TikTok. For this pin's title, we can use this product's title, the headline. So we can just copy this right here, go back to Pinterest and paste it right here. Naturally improve your sleep and reduce stress. Sounds great. Now we can go to ChatGPT to generate our description. So just type in create a 200 symbols description for a Pinterest pin about chill pill. Awesome. We can copy this text, go back to Pinterest account and paste it right here. Now we just need to obtain our landing page URL. So go back to your system.io website, copy this and paste your link right here. Next, after we added our link, we can create a new board. Type in health, create. You can add some tags if you want. In this video, I'll skip those, and all that's left to do is just click on publish. I suggest posting at least 4 times daily because Pinterest is a numbers game. The more pins you're able to create, the higher the chance is to make a commission. However, if you want to check out more useful information and different strategies on how to make money on Pinterest, you can watch my previous videos. Guys, thank you for watching, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, and see you in the next video.